Hello, welcome back to my school extra. Today on my school extra, we will be showing you how to produce disinfectant bleach. And previously we showed you how to produce air freshener insecticide. If you have been able to use that video to produce your own insecticide at home, kudos to you. So today we are looking at how to produce bleach. We are making 6 liters of bleach today. Bleach requires 24 hours production and involves 2 stages, which are soaking for the first day and filtering the following day. And today being the first day of the production, we are looking at the soaking aspect of it. Here are the chemicals needed for this 6 liters production. The number one here is calcium hypochlorite. 150 gram of calcium hypochlorite, that is what is needed for this production. Calcium hypochlorite has baby crystals, and we'll be dissolving this 150 gram of calcium hypochlorite in 3 liters of water. Okay, so the next is soda ash. Soda ash, we need 125 gram of soda ash for this production. Okay, and we'll be dissolving it in 2 liters of water. The next is caustic soda. We'll be needing 100 gram of caustic soda for this production. I will be dissolving it in 1 liter of water. Okay, so the soaking process begins now. We will be carrying out our measurements by using this 50 cl of can. Okay, and the first will be dissolving the calcium hypochlorite, and we'll be needing 3 liters of water. This is 50 cl. 6 of this will give us 3 liters. So here is the first. One. Six. Okay, so here we have 6 of this gives us 3 liters. Okay, remember this is 50 cl. Okay, 2 of this is 1 liter, so 6 of this is 3 liters. Okay, and we'll be dissolving the calcium hypochlorite in these 3 liters of water. So this is the calcium hypochlorite dissolved in 3 liters of water. So I'm going to keep this aside. Next is to dissolve our soda ash. Our soda ash will be dissolved in 2 liters of water. After this, we'll stir, keep aside, and proceed to the next chemical. So we are stirring the soda ash now. So we are done stirring. We'll keep aside and proceed to the next chemical, which is a caustic soda. The caustic soda will be dissolved in 1 liter of water, and 2 of these will give us 1 liter. This is 50 cl. And here's another 50 cl, making it 100. That is 1 liter. And so we'll be dissolving the caustic soda now in this 1 liter of water and stir, after which we'll also keep aside. Then the soaking process is concluded at this point. So bringing them together now. So here we have for bleach, that is disinfectant production, such as your hypo, your jig, this is how you make it. Okay, here we have our calcium hypochlorite. Yeah, calcium hypochlorite in 3 liters of water. Here we have soda ash in 2 liters of water. Then here we have caustic soda in 1 liter of water. So the next step is to keep them and allow them to stay for 24 hours. So by this time tomorrow, we shall be bringing them together. We'll continue the production. So guys, it's 24 hours already, and our chemicals for the bleach, which were soaked yesterday separately, are all fermented. So here they are.
Here we have the calcium hypochlorites. Here we have the calcium hypochlorites. You can see it's fermented already. And here we have the soda ash. It's already fermented. Here we have the caustic soda. Okay, remember it's 6 liters production. Here we have 3 liters of water in which the calcium hypochlorite is being dissolved. And remember, after dissolving them separately in separate bowls, since they are all fermented, the next step is to do what? Is to mix them all together in a mixing bowl. And that's what we are doing right now. So the first to go into the mixing bowl is the calcium hypochlorite. The calcium hypochlorite is the main bleaching agent. The major bleaching agent is going in now. Okay, then followed by 2 liters of water in which the soda ash is being dissolved. Then followed by the caustic soda. This is the caustic soda, 1 liter of water in which it is being dissolved. So the next step is to do what? Is to stir them together. So I'm stirring them together now. After stirring together, since it's already 24 hours and they are all fermented, the next thing is to leave it and allow it to settle down. After it is settled, we'll have to remove the liquid and leave the residues behind. And that residues, you can use it as vim to wash back of your pot, or you can just trash it. Okay, so the liquid on top is what becomes the bleach, while the residue can be thrown away or used as vim to wash back of pots. Okay, so we're going to leave this to settle for 3 hours. So guys, it's 3 hours already and our bleach is ready. It is settled already. You can see how it looks. The liquid already on top, then the residue are beneath. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to filter it. I'm going to sieve it, remove the liquid on top into a container before packaging it. Then the residue, like I said earlier, we're going to use it as vim to wash back of pots.
So guys, our bleach is ready. You can see the residue that is left. This bleach, I'm not going to package it yet. I can still see some fermented foam like substance on top, and the other container still looks like there are some residue in it, so I'll still leave it to clear off before I can package my container. So I'm going to leave this till the following morning. And here is our bleach in the following morning, looking so clear. Now I can package in my cans. Please, when packaging your bleach, ensure you use a very strong container, as bleach cannot be packaged in light containers. To all our subscribers, both new and returning subscribers, we say a very big thank you from our hearts. If you are watching for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so, as these videos are pertinent enough to make you money while you also save money for yourself. You can go commercial and make a lot of money from this. So guys, we are done packaging, but the residue is not left out, as we are going to be packaging it also in a container. Like I said earlier, I'm going to use it to wash back of my pot. This is now my vim. So here is our vim ready for use. You can see nothing is wasted in this production. So guys, here comes the end of our production today. See you next time when we'll be making other household cleaning agents. For now, it's bye from me.